Hello guys, today's video I have greetings in Arabic. Let's begin. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum if we meet or we leave someone. And the response to that is wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Sobahu al khair. Sobahul khair. Sobah is morning, al khair is good. And the response to that is Sobahu an-nur. Sobahun nur. Sobah is morning and nur is light. Masa'u al khair. Masa'ul khair. Masa'u or masa is afternoon, al khair is good. Masa'ul an-nur. Masa'un nur. Masa is afternoon and nur is light. Laylah sa'idah. Laylah sa'idah. Laylah sa'idah. Laylah is night. Sa'idah is happy. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you later and bye-bye.